So this week is a part 2 of the Japan video. So if you've not seen the part 1, click here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
दो दीवाने शहर में रात में या दोपहर में आबुदाना
ढूंढते हैं एक आशियाना ढूंढते हैं दो दीवाने.
My flight landed at around 6 in the evening, but I had 14 hours of layover this time at Narita, so I had time to go to Tokyo. There are many ways to reach Tokyo. I chose the Narita Express, the ticket to which is around 4,000 yen, 2 ways, and it takes around 90 minutes to reach Shinjuku. It's pre-booked, it runs on specific timing, so you know exactly when to catch the train, and you just have to pay once, so you don't have to stand in the ticket line forever. Suited best for me, so yeah, I took the Narita Express to Shinjuku. Apart from Shinjuku, there are a lot of other things that you can do in Tokyo, like A, the world record holder Shibuya crossing, B, hirajuku for food and shopping lovers, Akihazara for game lovers, yoyogi park for nature and peace lovers, and Tokyo Metropolitan Observation Deck for those who enjoy the skyline. This January 1st week, Shinjuku station was lit up. It was decorated and it was very beautiful. The thing with Shinjuku is that it's an intersection. It's a very important intersection, so you might get lost. So you make sure that you get out of the right place. Little walking from Shinjuku is the main city area, so it's lit with neon lights. There are a lot of pubs, a lot of bars for those who enjoy good nightlife, and it's open till late at night. There are a lot of gaming consoles and the Godzilla head. Right opposite Shibuya crossing is a conveyor belt sushi place. Order from your tablet. Your order will come via a conveyor belt right to your table. It was too late, so I couldn't try one, but you better try one. It's awesome. Okay, so the next Japanese thing was the Capsule hotel in which I got to stay. And a Capsule hotel is for a single traveler, like a hostel bunk beds, but in a capsule. So you can go inside, you have your TV, you have your Wi-Fi, you have everything inside. You just sleep, get up, and go. The regular hotel in Japan are very small compared to the standard size that any foreign traveler is used to. So next day early in the morning, I went to check out the rising sun. There's a walking distance to the yoyogi park, and there is a shrine inside. The park is very peaceful, especially in the winter morning, but every direction is written in Japanese, so you might not understand anything. For solo vegetarian female travelers, yes, solo, definitely. Japan not only has capsule hotels for solo travelers, it has conveyor belt sushis, it has single table restaurants, single ticket, single value meals. So it's very solo friendly. In fact, Japanese people prefer it that way, that everybody takes breaks at their own time, goes, eats, and comes back instead of waiting for your friends to come with you. That way they consider it very efficient. Number 2, Japan is very safe. So female, it's a very safe place. You don't have to worry about anything. The people are very nice. Even if they don't understand what you're saying, they will go to the extra mile to help you understand the directions, lead you to your place, everything. Vegetarian. No, Japan is not at all a vegetarian friendly country. It's a coast area. It's full of seafood, and everything definitely has egg. So if you're a pure vegetarian, all you might get is salad. So that was my Tokyo video this time. If you like it, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Leave your experience about Japan right in the comment section below. If you like this DIY India map behind me, then the video of theirs is right over here, and subscribe.